and welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. Appreciate the views and the support. So today is going to be an unboxing and testing and swatching of a new product that I found at Michael's the other day. I went in there because I had a $10 reward. So if you're a rewards member of Michael's, you get these reward points that are worth dollars in the store, and you get even more savings in addition to your coupons and the rewards points. So I was there, I had $10, and of course, and then you get a percentage off of in addition to that. So I found these, and I've never seen these before. The Brea Reese on-the-go watercolor paint set. Let's see. I've never heard of this before. I've never seen it. Brea Reese Artist Series featuring Josie Lewis. And they had a whole end cap full of these products. And apparently, I guess Josie Lewis is like a heavy body acrylic paint artist. So they had some of that as well. And they had brush sets and other different watercolor palettes. But I chose this one. It's a 38 piece. It includes a watercolor pan set, paper, pad, brushes, and technique guide. So this is the back of it. And this is, I guess that's Josie Lewis. Okay, so let's see what this is about. I haven't opened it yet. I've been holding on to it for a couple days. Guess I'm just going to have to get in and tear it. Case is not metal. It's like a hard, it's not really plastic either. It's like I guess a pliable, bendable plastic. Okay. Oh, let's see what this is about. I'm so excited. It's really pretty. Alright, so we got here. Oh, this is a swatch card. Why is there only 9? I guess there's only 9 colors. Swatch card included, which I've already got some little ones here. Maybe I'll use this swatch card and save these. Okay. And you get a pamphlet or a technique guide. Why is it upside down? Okay, and you have about the artist. And she's on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'll have to look her up. Color wheel. Color theory. This is a nice little book. Tips and techniques. Texture. Washi tape. Salt. Burnt edges. Burnt edges. And some of her artwork. And then I get it's upside down and it's a different language. Okay, nice little book, handy. And this is your paper pad. That's a nice pad. It's pretty thick. Let's see how many, does it say how many pages are in it, or like the weight, or if it's acid free, or it doesn't say anything like that. Does it have it on the back? Let's see. It just says, okay, watercolor paper pad, 6 by 8 inches, 25 pages. Okay. So, let's see if I can open this. And if you hear some traffic, I do have my window open. So, I apologize for that. Hopefully it won't be too loud. Sometimes it does get pretty loud over here. Alright. Almost there. So while I'm trying to tear this open, I'd like to encourage you hit that like button, leave a comment, a non-snarky comment. Sometimes people could just be so cruel for no reason. Like, get a life, get a hobby, get a personality. Alright. Oh, and you know, subscribe. Alright. Feels pretty thick. Not real coarse, like a medium. I guess it's like a medium. Okay, so, and then you get 2 of these brushes. Oh, they're so pretty and so cute. Look at that. A number 2 and a number 6. Those are so cute. And then you get one of these. That's a nice big barrel on that. That's a nice one. Oh, tear it up already. Okay, so here we go with the actual palette. Oh no, that garbage truck, I can hear it coming. It's gonna get loud. It's in a nice metal tin. There are 9 colors. Doesn't have any color names or anything about the pigment. Oh, and I forgot to say that this set was $34.99, but with my rewards points and my other discounts, I didn't pay near that. Okay, so what we're going to do is swatch these out. I'm going to do them like this, and then later on I'll probably number these like 1, 2, you know, to core. Well, it would kind of be kind of obvious if you know your colors. But let's try it out. Looks like this looks like a green, and these are dry paint pans. They look like full pans and not half pans. And there's the first one. Let's go over the whole thing. That's a nice green. This one looks like maybe a dark blue or a navy blue. No, a cobalt blue more likely. That's a really pretty color. Let's see, this looks like a dark brown of some kind. Oh, yeah. Oh no, it's a purple, dark purple. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really vibrant. So far, that's my favorite. Let's see what this one is. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't know exactly what color that is, but it's like a dark burgundy, or if you got a better name for it, let me know. That's really nice. Okay. There is no black, it looks like. I got too much water on my brush. I end up moving this around like crazy. That's a pretty color too. I think that's my fault. I put too much water on it for my taste. Okay, this yellow. Oh, that's nice. Oh, maybe yellow ochre. Okay, let's see. This looks like a red or orange. I'll see, probably orange since it's next to the yellow. Oh yeah. Oh, that's got some sparkle in it. Or maybe it's just the light. It's just the light. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, stop it. So pretty. Probably driving somebody mad doing this with my brush. Let's do it a little bit better. Oh, I put too much water again. That's nice. Okay, try that again. Oh, those are really pretty colors. You know what? They're like same colors that's on the case. Okay, so let's get this a little closer for you. Very pigmented, very colorful, nice. I like that color palette. So now I am going to use this to see if I can mix and blend. So let's start with this darker green. Let's try a little bit of the yellow with it. Okay. Oh, look at that. They blend. You can mix those colors up. Oh, that's nice. Let's try this one. With this one. Okay, so I'm thinking this blue is not quite as pigmented as the other colors. I seem to find that a lot in water soluble. This is the blue. Look at that though. Look how well that mixes. That is amazing. Look, completely different color right there. Well, you know what? I am very pleased with this purchase. And it was nice to see something new at Michael's. I'll be honest, I don't like their store brand products. Oh, here comes the garbage truck. They're Artist Loft products. So I'm probably going to wrap this up pretty quick because it's going to get even louder. But, yeah, I like this a lot. It's at Michael's now. She has a whole line of products at Michael's. Go check it out. If you like this content, subscribe, like, comment. I appreciate it very much. And sorry about the garbage truck. Thank you.